Hello, it's Martha. Welcome back. This is Martha with Martha's Creative Life. I have for you something today that's not a quilting related video, but you might see what it is right here. But I have been using Cirkul about a year now. I'd gotten it for my birthday, so not quite a year. But I wanted to share with you because for me, I'm trying to be healthier in my choices of drink. You know, instead of going for a soda, my favorite soda, I've tried to drink a little bit more water, you know, because our bodies just need so much more water. So when I had my birthday, my co-workers had gifted me this one. And this one is the 22 ounce in the plastic, and then you can also buy the sleeve that goes with it. But I wanted to share with you what I got in the mail. My husband's had his birthday just recently, and he wanted one as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. Can't get the box. So some of the things that on the website, you can get free shipping when you spend $15 or more. There's like 50 flavor choices to choose from. Your stainless steel bottles, they range from 12 ounces to 42 ounces. Your plastic is the same, 12 to 42 ounces. There's all different kinds of the sips, which is this piece here that has the flavor in it. They have Life, Go, Fit, Gateway, Fishin', Frosted, Flight, Squeeze Lemonade, Stage Hydration, Verta, and Pure Essence. So there's all different kinds that you can choose from. It's like a 50 plus flavors. There's a couple that I've tried that have been absolutely my favorite. My most favorite one is the coconut pineapple. I love coconut pineapple together. You can do the auto ship. You can do a bundle. I do have a code that I'll put down in the description of the video. If you want to go try it out the first time, they'll give you like $5 off with the code. And that's just a code that if you were to refer someone as well, they have a nice little referral program. So this video is not sponsored by Cirkul. I just wanted to take a minute and share with you what I'm using to help me to stay a little bit more hydrated and make sure that I'm getting the water that I need, that our bodies all need. So let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, my husband tried the grape one recently with mine, and he's like, "Oh, this is good." So I said, "I told you you'd like it." So, had a friend of mine who, she actually referred me for my first order, and she was able to get, like, I think she was able to get 2 free sips on her next order when she orders it online, and then I was able to get the $5 off. So it benefited both of us by using that referral code. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is what my husband wanted. And this one is the 32 ounce, I believe. It's hand wash only, stainless steel, really not too heavy, but not feels like it's flimsy either. So that's really nice. And that's what it looks like inside. Very nice. And then he wanted the lid, and on the lids they have different colors, and he wanted his in black. And then you just put it on your water bottle like that. Then when I got in there and was playing around with the order, I got this water bottle for like $8. I mean, I know I already have one, but I thought, well, this is the 22 ounce. I could have one as an extra one, or I could give it away as a gift. And so I went ahead and got the blue lid to go along with it. And the lids, I'll have to see if these lids match. This is my first time opening up this box, so it's a little bit new for me. So that's the 22. Let's see if the lids match. Oh, they do. So the mouth of the bottle is the same for each one. So you can interchange your lids. Now, let's get into all the other good stuff. So in here, you've got all the sips is what these are called. So I had given you some of the names of this one earlier. This one is a Fit Sip. It's the mixed berry. So there's that one. My husband wanted to try that one. And then he wanted to try the Go Sip. And this one actually has energy in it. And what's great is most of these have 0 sugar. There is some of them that have like stevia in them. I didn't try any of those. There's the cherry limeade, and that's an energy one. And I wanted to try the fruit punch. I thought that would be good. And that one is a hydrate, life sip. And we've got green apple. The green apple is another energy one as well. And my husband loves blue raspberry. Anything that's blue raspberry, whether it's candy. So we're excited to try this one out and see if that tastes like regular blue raspberry. And then last but not least, I got another mixed berry for me. So I had not tried that one yet, so I wanted to try it. So when I ordered his bottle, I did a bundle. So there's different bundle options that you can choose from. And then with my water bottle, I got 2 of these, plus the lid to go along with it. So I don't remember exactly what I spent on it, but I thought it was a really nice birthday present for my husband. And then I in turn got a free water bottle as well. So it helps you to stay hydrated, but it also helps you to not be using water bottles and then having to have those, make sure that you have those recycled. Or, some people don't recycle, so they go in the trash, and then it takes forever and ever and ever for that plastic to break down. It will never break down in our lifetime. So this is the sleeves that you can order for them. And mine of course is in purple because it's my favorite color, but I've had this since November, and it looks brand new. So it just a little bit harder to put on the bottle once you take it off, but it's a sleeve. It's meant to stay on there. And I think all of the plastic clear ones have the blue writing down there. And so I'll actually show you, hopefully without spilling anything, what this is, what it looks like out of the package. So you've got your lid, of course, and this is what is called your sip. So in this cartridge here is where all the flavor is, and you do have a lid so that you can close it up if you want to, but you get to decide by these numbers here, by turning it, what number you want it on, and that will determine whether you have like a lot of flavor or very little flavor. And usually I start out about 2, 3, and then as I go a little bit further along, then I start turning it up a little bit to make sure I get all the flavor out. Another thing, if you didn't want to go on Cirkul.com, you can actually go to Walmart. They have some of them there. They don't carry everything that you can get on the website, and they're not going to be on sale, and you're not going to have any like a way to do the auto ship or the free sips. So hopefully this helps you to kind of stay hydrated. Like I said, this wasn't a quilting video. It was just something that I wanted to share with all of you if you were looking for a way to to be able to get more water in your body and to be a little bit more healthier for the year. So if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you all are doing well. Until next time, bye.